What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to write a very good prompt that could help you get longer answers if you needed to, but it going to perform a duty. For example, it will be working as a role. It will have examples in a prompt that will make it work according to the examples that we have given to it. For example, here you guys can see that I have described his role. I have described his tone and style. It means it will answer in a specific tone and style. Also the rules and constraint. And here's the example. So here it says insert your topic here. So it asked me for the topic. I said use YouTube and the trend psychology, and it starts giving me the narration for it. So whether you want to get it a long outcome from it, just type it. I want long output from you. So what it will do, it will give you a long outcome out of that simple prompt. So here you will see that the prompt after that single command that I gave it to it has written a longer response as compared to the previous prompt. So this is how you guys can make a better prompt. Make sure that you describe everything very descriptively. You know what you want, you know what the rules are, tone and styles, rules and constraint, and then comes the examples in the right syntax. So this is how is it. Hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.